Hi, today I will show you how to use Browserstack for manual testing. Browserstack is a good tool for testing web applications on large and small devices. I will show you how to test on mobile devices, tablets, or desktop-sized devices. There is also the option to test on different browsers and browser versions. Also, small devices can be tested in portrait and landscape mode. You just need to select your device, browser, and browser version. The virtual machine will then load and you will be able to start testing your web application in the browser. It is possible to test web applications on different resolutions on large devices. This is very useful because visual elements are often displayed incorrectly on different resolutions. Changing the resolution can help find visual problems in web applications. You just need to select a resolution from the list provided and the virtual machine will reload and prepare for your chosen resolution. There is also the option to set a custom resolution for the browser. There are many other options you can change, such as location. However, additional options are available in other plans and are not available on all plans. You can also change the browser and browser version during the test, which is very convenient and quick to do. You can also choose a specific operating system version. You can choose different Mac or Windows versions. Now I will tell you about how to test web applications on smaller devices. It is possible to test on Android and iOS devices. You can also specify a specific browser on which you want to test the web application when choosing a device. Choose the small device and browser you want to test on and a testing environment will be loaded for you to test web applications. As you can see, Browserstack offers different options on small devices than on large devices. It is possible to use the zoom option to zoom in or out on a web page. Similar to larger devices, you can change the location, but this option is not available on all plans. You should review Browserstack plans that offer this option if you need such tests. There is also an option to rotate the device, if this option exists for a particular device. Now I'm showing you how to test on an Android device and have selected phones and tablets. Just like how to choose an Android device, I will show you how to choose an iOS device, different iPhone models. You can also choose phones and tablets for iOS devices. iOS devices should definitely be included in pre-web application tests because you can often discover some problems that don't work the same as on Android devices. I will show you how to rotate your device on an iOS device. It is recommended to perform tests in both portrait and landscape view as you can often find different problems when rotating the device from one view to the other.